Today, I've got an incredible strategy that could potentially fill your PayPal account with free money in 2024, and I will show you proof. So, let's dive right into it. The first step is to head over to the ever-popular YouTube. You know, that place where you can find plenty of videos on just about anything. And guess what? You can make some serious cash by watching these videos. Stick around as I guide you through the process. Now, once you've landed on youtube.com, take a look at the various videos available. These are not just any videos, they're the key to earning free money in 2024. Go ahead, click on any of these videos. Once you're in, make sure you watch a minimum of 30 seconds of the video. That's the golden rule. By doing so, you'll be pocketing a cool $5 for each video you watch. And hey, I've got the proof. Check out these real payment confirmations from people worldwide who've been raking in the cash just by watching videos. Watching one video can get you $5. 10 videos? Well, that's a quick $50. Imagine watching 50 videos a day. That's a whopping $250. You can rinse and repeat this process as much as you want. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer to get started. So, let's kick things off. Firstly, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. If you don't have a YouTube account, no worries. Click on Create Account, choose For Myself, and voila! You can create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, notice the left-hand side. You'll find the Best of YouTube section. This is where YouTube showcases the top-performing videos in categories like music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and more. Click on Gaming, and you'll be taken to a page where millions of people are watching gaming videos. The secret? They might not be aware that there's a strategy to turn this into free money. This method I'm about to share is not only completely free, but also 100% legit. It's your ticket to free money in 2024, and the best part? It's accessible globally. Let's dive into the first bonus tip. There are tons of games. Click on one category. Let's suppose Minecraft. It's one of the hottest trending games right now. Click on Minecraft, and you'll be taken to a page loaded with videos showcasing Minecraft gameplays. Pay close attention to the live streaming videos. They're where the magic happens. For step 2, click on any of these live videos. You'll be directed to a page where the live stream is in full swing, and there's a substantial audience tuning in. The demand for these videos is high, and that translates to opportunities for you to make free PayPal money in 2024. Stay with me because towards the end of this video, I'll drop a bonus tip that can multiply your earnings by tenfold. I'm about to show you precisely how you can rake in a ton of free money with this type of YouTube video. The best part? You can replicate this strategy for various YouTube videos in this category. Now, let's turn these YouTube videos into cold, hard cash. We'll need to hop onto the second website, the secret source for earning free PayPal money. People are already cashing in $5 repeatedly using this strategy. Ready for it? The website is 7R6. Here's the simple concept. Sign up for a free account on 7R6. Once you're in, you'll be shortening URL links and earning free PayPal money with them. It's way easier than you might think, and not many people are talking about it. Stick around for the step-by-step guide. Suppose you're watching a YouTube video under this one. Locate the share button, click it, and find the YouTube URL link. Copy that link and head back to 7R6. Paste the link into the provided box, click the button, and voila! The website will shorten that long YouTube link into a unique one. Here's the magic. Every time someone clicks on your unique link, you get paid. This is exactly how savvy individuals are making big bucks on 7R6. Keep watching, and I'll guide you through the process, ensuring you make the most out of this golden opportunity to earn free PayPal money in 2024. Once you've earned your cash, and now it's time to cash out. You can seamlessly transfer your earnings to your PayPal account, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, or Payeer. With multiple payment options available, it's time to turn those hard-earned virtual bucks into real-life currency. Now for the first step after making some bank, head back to the homepage. Spot the Sign Up button at the top right corner, and let's get you registered. This is a crucial step, and don't worry, it's 100% free and open to anyone worldwide. Fill in your username, email address, create a secure password, and check the box for terms of use and privacy policy. Click Register, and you're in. Once logged in, your dashboard will look something like this. Navigate to the top left corner and click on New Shortened Link. Here's where the magic happens. Simply go back to your YouTube video, hit the share button, copy the URL link, return to your dashboard, paste it, click shorten, and there you have it, your Minecraft shortened link. Now for step number 3, rinse and repeat. Go back to YouTube, find up to 3 different videos, copy their URL links, and shorten them on 7R6. The more videos you shorten, the more free PayPal money you'll be stacking. Here's another bonus tip: focus on live streaming videos. Click on a live video, copy the URL, paste it into 7R6. Remember, keep repeating this strategy with various trending YouTube videos to maximize your online earnings. Now, moving on to step 4, visit steamcommunity.com. This platform is a gaming hub where people discuss different game strategies. Given the Minecraft trend, create a free account on Steam Community and post about Minecraft or any other trending games. Share your shortened 7R6 link in the post and watch the clicks roll in. This is your golden opportunity to capitalize on the Minecraft craze and make a ton of free money from these YouTube videos. Remember, sign up for a free account on Steam Community, engage with the gaming community, and share those links. Get ready to see a flood of clicks from eager gamers. You've made it to the goldmine of bonus tips. Brace yourselves because I'm about to drop a secret website that will triple your earnings. I've never shared this with anyone, but you've earned it by sticking around. The secret website is moot.us. This is a special forum where people discuss various games, especially Minecraft. You'll find tons of posts, photos, and videos related to gameplays. These videos are racking up hundreds and thousands of views. As a reward for your dedication, I'm letting you in on this opportunity to make even more free PayPal money, especially if you focus on live streaming videos. As part of the special bonus, I'm handing you a free, done-for-you template. It's a game changer. You can use this template to maximize your earnings. Simply copy this template and share it on Steam Community or moot.us forum. The clicks on your shortened link will start pouring in, and you'll be making even more money. Here's an example of how the template is structured. Have you guys checked out this amazing Minecraft gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch the live streaming video right here. All you need to do is go back to your 7R6 dashboard, copy the shortened link, paste it into the template, and then post it on Steam Community and moot.us. This template is strategically designed to attract clicks, and you'll be reaping the rewards in no time. The beauty of it is that you don't have to put in a lot of effort. These gaming category videos are gaining tremendous traction and are incredibly popular right now. This is exactly how people are making a significant amount of free money in 2024 for every single video they watch. So, take advantage of this opportunity, use the template wisely, and watch those clicks turn into dollars. Keep hustling, and until next time, stay money-wise.